To make your battery last longer, do this. Save the video because you need it, and like the video. And follow me for more tips and tricks. And let's start. Go to Settings and click on Battery and Device Care. Then click on Battery. Then click on Background Usage Limits. Then click on Deep Sleeping Applications. Then click here. And select the applications you don't use a lot. Then click on Add. So the selected applications will stop using your battery, which make your battery last longer. Like the video please, and follow me for more.